baby?
Chrome.
What was it? Mouse or something that got killed on. Something that got flat about this big.
And he saw it and smelled it.
Can't even see that far ahead, huh? Well, good thing they're already plowing out at Tribes at the entrance waiting room. Oh, since I grabbed this, what did you call her? She'll call, baby. Gee, I feel like we're on top of the mesa. It's all bumpy.
Wind trip. We're riding on a wind trip. That's right. Whole wind trip.
Oh my god, baby. Oh. Oh, jeez. Whoa, I thought we were gonna get stuck. Oh my god. Seth. And he's been in South Dakota for years. So he knows.
Legs to drive through. His car was smaller than this one.
That blue one?
Yeah. Just keep your wheels straight. Always keep your wheels turning.
When you're going through it?
Yeah. Through snow.
So when it's thick, the bit, how it was back there, so you turn your wheel a little bit?
Just a little, not too much.
Not too much.
Like this too. This could easily, if you turn your wheel, it could just throw you off.
To the side?
Just slide you all the way like that. Because watch, barely tilted it. We were going like this for a while.
Oh my god.
Turned it back, see? Now go like this, then we went the other way.
That's a daredevil, that's why.
See, that's what I mean. He said,
Yeah, see that truck barely plowing through
he
it?
would even say, now you try it now. Let me drive over it. Oh, for real, hold it. Trying to get a hold of him the other day.